Hello all, welcome to Tips and Tricks YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to learn some cool shortcuts that can help you work more efficiently and effectively in Microsoft Excel. By using these shortcuts, you will be able to save time and work more efficiently. So let's get started and learn some new tricks. So our first shortcut is Ctrl+1. This shortcut opens the Format Cell dialog box. To use this shortcut, simply select the cells or range of cells you want to format and then press Ctrl+1. You can quickly change the format of selected cell or a range of cells including number, font, border, fill color and more. Once you finish with your formatting, click OK. Our next shortcut is Alt=2. This shortcut inserts some formula in a cell. To use this, simply select the range of cell you want to sum and press Alt=2. Excel will automatically insert the sum formula in the cell to the right of the selected range and display the result. Next shortcut is F11. F11 is a shortcut that creates a chart from a selected data. Suppose we want to create a chart of these students. So we'll select the names and the marks of maths and then press F11 from the keyboard. Our chart is ready. Next shortcut is Alt+HOI. This shortcut is used to auto size the column widths. To use this shortcut, simply select the column you want to auto size and then press Alt+HOI. Your column will be automatically resized. Our next shortcut is Alt-Enter. This shortcut allows you to split text in multiple lines in a cell. To use this shortcut, simply type your text, press Alt-Enter. You will be taken to next line. Our next shortcut is Ctrl+Shift+$. This shortcut in Excel applies the currency number format to the selected cells. This format displays number with currency symbol defined by system's regional setting and number is separated by a comma. To use this shortcut, select the cell you want to format, press Ctrl+Shift$. The selected cells will be instantly formatted as currency, helping you to maintain consistent and professional looking data in your spreadsheets. Our next shortcut is Ctrl+Shift+%. This shortcut in Excel applies the outline border format to selected cells, adding a border to separate and a group data. To use this shortcut, simply select the cells and press Ctrl+Shift+%. This will apply outline to your selected cell range. And to remove the border, select the cells and press Ctrl+Shift_. This will remove the border. Our next shortcut is Ctrl+Spacebar. This shortcut selects entire column in a spreadsheet. To use this shortcut, select a cell in a desired column, hold down Ctrl and press Spacebar to select the column. This will quickly select all the cells in entire column, making it easier to format, copy or delete the entire column's data in one go. Next shortcut is Shift Spacebar. This shortcut is used to select entire row in a spreadsheet. To use this shortcut, simply click in a cell and press Shift Spacebar. The entire row will be selected. Next shortcut is Ctrl+Shift+L. This shortcut is used to apply or remove auto filter from a data. To use this shortcut, select any cell in your data set and simply press Ctrl+Shift+L. This will apply auto filter in your data. To remove this auto filter, again press Ctrl+Shift+L. If you found this video useful, please like the video and subscribe the channel.